Hi friends, welcome to Tech World. Today we are discussing about how to print in Excel. Excel not like a Word. Actually, Word you can see the old pages. Excel you cannot see any pages. Normally, if I want to print this old table, I can go to here File, then I can go to Print. I can see the preview here. The old table. Suppose if I want to print particular area in this table, suppose I want to print only this area in the table, that time we have option in Excel. First I need to select this particular area. Now I select the particular area. Now then I go to page layout, I click print area and I click set print area. Now you can see the one line like this come here. Now if I am going to file and if I go to print, I can see the preview. You can see the preview, only the particular area will come for the print. Like that you can set the particular area for printing. And if you want to clear this option, you can select again and you can go to again page layout and you can click print area. There's option clear print area. If you click this one, it will be normal. It will be normal now, and we can try again for print. You can see now the whole data came for printing. This is Excel print area option. So guys, this is for today. I hope this video is helpful for you, and I will come with more Excel advanced level. Thanks for watching this video, and please subscribe our channel and support us. Thank you.